everyone, it's Team BB here. I'm Jane.
And I'm Greg.
And we have a huge Frozen 2 special. We are so excited about the new film. We've got lots of stuff from Frozen. A few bits from the little mini film they released, the little spring one where Elsa had a really bad cold. And then we've also got loads of really cool bits from the new Frozen 2 film. We haven't seen it. I don't think it's actually even out just yet. But we've been looking into it a little bit. Like, Greg has a super bad cold. Not cold like Frozen, but snotty cold.
Sorry.
But he's super excited about this. Right, remember to stay around till the end of the video as well for a very cool Patreon shout-out surprise. We are super excited about this film. I even had to get the really cool new Olaf little Lego figure as well, because I'm just super excited about this. Right, so what should we jump in with first? I'm really not sure what to go for. Oh, and there's some super secret surprises in our little Frozen box over here on the side. Well, I'm going to start off with this one. This is Frozen. This is the first one. This is Tommy. This is the Frozen cute blind bag buildable figures. Then we've had the Olaf. We've definitely had the Sven. I remember him. He was adorable. I think we've had the Anna. So I think it's only one. The Elsa maybe that we're missing. We might have had Kristoff. We might not have had Kristoff. I think it's Elsa we're missing from these. We have opened quite a few of these. Some on some of our live streams. That's the Han, isn't it? Han or Han, whatever it is. The dude that's really evil in the first one. So is he going to be in the second one then, do you reckon?
I reckon so.
You reckon he might be in the second one? Okay, so now they go to, like, was it like an enchanted forest in this one, don't they? And they meet some new people and stuff, and we were reading up online about it, weren't we, a little bit. But we don't want to say any spoilers, obviously, so I won't say anything. But there's a few things floating around online about it. But I'm definitely excited about seeing it. I think you've got to take the front of his hair off first, and you can get the back bit on. Did you want to open up something?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm going to go for this one.
That little one down there. I think, yeah, that one's from the, is it Frozen Fever or something? What's this on the side? No, yeah,
Frozen Fever.
It was, yeah, because she had a cold, didn't she? Just like you. So it's a good one for you to pick. But that is my little Hans. He's very cool. He's a bad guy, but he's still a cute little figure.
That's a really nice figure.
Yeah, it is actually. I didn't think he was one of the figures, but no, he is. So he was one of the other ones we didn't have then as well. I know we definitely got these three. We might have the Kristoff, but we might not. But we definitely haven't got the Elsa one. We got the
Olaf!
Big Olaf, meet little Olaf. Yeah, this figure's really, really cool. He completely moves around loads. He's got a little pencil in his little book and everything. Yeah, he's so cute.
So he's singing about summer?
Yeah, definitely. He definitely looks like he's singing about summer. Right, I'm going to go for some of these Frozen 2. Oh, don't you knock over my Olaf. Go for these Frozen 2 stickers. These are really awesome. Panini always release some cool stuff. Oh, album stickers and cards. So is there a card in here as well then? I've seen that with other packs, haven't we? Was it the Curse the Were-Rabbit ones, wasn't it? That came with cards as well. Yeah, we've got... Oh, we have a security tag.
This one does security tags as
I
well.
have to collect these. Right, so yeah, so you get some stickers and you get a card. Wow, look at the card. That's so awesome.
They're so shiny.
It's so shiny. It's a really beautiful Anna card. Very pretty. Wow, so what stickers did we get? Looks a bit concerned. Oh, she's so cute as her mummy. Oh, really cute. Oh, she's taken off her boots and her gloves. That's when she runs into the sea, doesn't she? I think. We didn't get spoilers with these cards. Getting with her sassy. We'll have to leave Anna on the front. She's so beautiful.
She really is.
What are you going for?
What's this up here?
Right, this is one of our new Frozen 2 things, denoted by the tag. I think this is like jewellery or something. If you turn it round, maybe we'll find out. No, we'll just have to open it up and find out. I got like the sticker on the top, that's really cute. I think it was like a little jewellery thing, or some hairbands or something like that. It was like you could get different colours. It was all different. It was like a purple one and a pink one, but obviously better get the blue one because it's Frozen. I think it came with some like jewellery bits, I think.
Yeah.
It's definitely got a... Yeah, oh.
Somebody.
Right, so you've got a little hairband, which it's got all the leaves and things on it that are shown in the advert. You've got another one that looks more like sort of some of the Nordic symbols they have on some of the sort of the flags and the banners around the kingdom. And what's that one? Oh, that's pretty. So it's like a little hair clip bow and it's got two little hearts on it. Oh, that's really cute. It's really nice. So it's not jewellery, it's more hair accessories.
Yeah.
Right, we've got a couple of Funko Pops, so I might have to go for this one, because this is the Frozen Series 1, this one. So we should know all these characters, shouldn't we? Right, so we've got Anna, Elsa, we've got some Olaf, we've got some Sven, Kristoff, and then we've got them as the little babies as well. Got Marshmallow. I'll leave that one. I need that marshmallow in my life. But yes, we've got the second one, and then we've got the first one as well. So not that much stuff out for Frozen 2. We did actually find quite a bit. We did get quite lucky. So we've got the little domies thing up the top there, and then we did get a Funko Pop, and then we also got this Pop Adventures. Never opened them on the channel before, so I'm quite interested to see what that is. We haven't found a Mash and Fashion yet. We found the Olaf's Frozen Adventure. That was another little mini film they did as well, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so then the one where I also got cold, and then the Frozen Adventures where he tried to find out what Christmas was, didn't they?
Yeah.
Because they can't remember their Christmas as a family because they were too young, weren't they? And Olaf said he's never had one, didn't he? And who do we get? Oh, we've got a very derpy looking Sven.
I love
He's
Sven.
super derpy looking though.
I think he's my favourite character.
He's so funny. He's sitting there like a little dog. He's like a puppy though, isn't he? He really is like a little puppy in the film.
And that's why I love him so much.
He is very cute. He's a 1 in 24, so a little bit rarer. Not the rarest, but a little bit rarer.
Right, I'm going to go for a Dooms.
Literally found this one today. Literally, just as we were going to be filming this one, we saw this one. So we're super excited about this. This is definitely very brand new out. Yeah, so these are some of the new characters. She's like the leader of the tribe or something, I think. And he's one of the king's guards that got lost in the forest with them. I'm not sure who this is. Oh, this is Elsa and the Nook. So that's Elsa when she was younger with the sort of spirity ghost, maybe? Or is this just when she goes in the water with it? We've seen on the adverts. Don't know, but yeah, so there's quite a few new characters in the film. As I said, it's not out yet, I don't think, so we haven't seen it yet anyway, so we're not quite sure who everybody is. But we do really love these figures a lot, don't we? So, alright, yes, you got the new character, so Yolana, I think her name is.
Ah, she's pretty.
Yeah, so she's been trapped in the Enchanted Forest for a while. And yeah, when Elsa goes near it, I think it awakens or something.
It's really cool.
She's like the leader of the tribe or something, but she's very cool, isn't she? I love her white hair, that's very pretty.
Yeah. It's very icy.
Right, we've got mushrooms and fashion. I kind of fancy one of them. I know, I'm going to go for the pop figure. You keep opening up all the cool Frozen 2 stuff. I'm going to open up something cool. Right, so Series 1, Frozen 2. We're not sure what it is, but you can get little figures inside. And we did see other play sets, didn't we, that were like bigger with like little houses and stuff. So, I'm not sure.
As soon as we saw it, it was like, we've got to have it.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't sure.
You got to get it.
This one you just get the figure. So then you have to buy the houses for them, or you get a little accessory with them or anything. I'm really not sure. We've not seen these Pop Adventures before. Oh, right, so wow, that's pretty, isn't it? I like that. Is there a collector's guide in there anyway? You can.
Yep, I'll have a look.
Well, it might be in here, but that is. I love that casing. That's really pretty. Right, how do I get in here?
Nope, no collector's card.
How do I get in here? Oh, there you go. Oh, right. So
Wow, that's really pretty.
Oh, right. Can you see all the confetti and stuff, guys, inside? Wow. That's so cool. If I can get some more air, will it? So pretty. My table looks really messy now. But yeah, there's loads of it all sort of trapped in that side just there. So when you open it, we've opened it upside down. Where I was supposed to open up the other way, so then they all fall out. There's loads of them. They're really pretty. Like little autumn leaves. Very beautiful. Right, and who did I get inside? I got Anna. She's so cute. She's got very bendy little floppy legs. They're super squishy and bendy. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh,
I wonder how she's going to stand.
I don't think she will. She's really bendy.
Even the body as well.
Yeah, she bends forward. She's got a little bend in the middle, like Polly Pockets.
Yeah.
But yeah, her coat's really flexible. I don't know, you might even be able to take the coat off actually. It's very flexible, so it might come off. But her body's a little bit harder, but all this is really rubbery. But she's really well detailed and very cute. Oh, she's so cute. I love her hair as well. They both got their hair down a lot more in this new film. And they look super pretty. I love this packaging as well. Definitely want to get some more of those.
I'm going to go for this one then.
Was
Was this the same as you opened up?
No, they're all different ones. There's sort of one of everything here. I'm going to sprinkle some of this up here. Pretty. Pretty. Because there's a lot of, I think it's like a lot of elements in this new film, isn't it? Oh,
Kristoff.
He's so sexy.
But
that's not Kristoff. That's not Kristoff. I thought you were going to get a little Kristoff figure in that. I really thought you were going to get a Kristoff figure in that one. I like putting all these Twinkies on here. This is fun. I'm having fun. You just open up twice.
But you got Kristoff there.
Oh, that's really weird. So, it's not Kristoff, but you did get Kristoff on the tag. Okay. That's his summer song that he sings, isn't it?
Or is it because of Kristoff is about to ruin it? I say, no, don't say nothing to him.
Yeah, they don't want to say anything to him, do they? So I'm having so much fun picking up these leaves.
It's so cool.
Seriously, get one of those. Yeah, buy one of these. It's really fun. You even get to play with the little, they're like little leaves, aren't they? They're really cool. Right, I'm going to go for this one here at the back. Right, this big frozen packed by Panini. These are PhotoCards, and they are really cool. There's 108 of them to collect, but I think there's like 6 in there.
Yeah.
They're like huge cards. They're bigger than the contact cards that we get with the Harry Potter ones. They're much bigger. These are more like a postcard size. Right, so they're the 108 you can collect. So you can do a little checklist on them. But yeah, they're like really beautiful prints, like a photograph.
They're really nice.
Yeah. Frozen. Dribbling out the game with this, isn't he? Oh, that one's nice. I like that picture. That's cool. It's really holographic as well. Very cute. Oh, look at him. He's so happy. That one's really pretty. So it's like Elsa in all her sort of different forms, isn't it? When she was little, then when she was the queen, when she's the snow queen. Yeah, these are really pretty. Look at Olaf.
Olaf.
He's so cute. I'm going to have to leave that one on the front because he just looks super adorable in that picture. Yeah, they're like postcard photographs. They're really nice. I'll try and get some more of those. I really like those. And you get a little collector's guide as well.
That's really cool.
So many different ones to collect.
Right. I'm going to have to...
You got to go for the measurement fashion. Here you go.
Yay.
You got some of your leaves on. Yeah, you got to put them on the stand. It's so pretty.
You understand.
Yeah, I love the little leaves. They're so cute.
Right, so...
This is,
fashion.
This is Frozen Adventure. So I wonder if there's a kitty. There's a little kitty cat in the Frozen Adventure, isn't there?
Ooh.
I'd like the little kitty cat. Oh, you got Olaf. You keep getting... Every one you've opened, you've got Olaf. Haven't you? Every single one you've opened, you've got Olaf.
He's so squishy.
He's very squishy. You got a little clan of Olafs by the end of this video, aren't you? You've got a keyring, you've got a little stink, you've got a little squishy, you've got so many Olafs.
I love Olaf.
You didn't get Olaf in that one. That's literally the only one you haven't. Right, I'm going to open up the other Funko Pops. I just love Funko Pops. Right, so this one is actually from the second film, this one. So we've got sort of Anna and Elsa bigger, Anna and Elsa a bit smaller, Anna and Elsa really tiny. Then we've got some Olaf, some Sven. Am I going to get another Sven?
Yeah, I would love Sven.
Kristoff. And then this one's, is it Matthias? Almost, yeah, I think it's Matthias. And then I don't know who this one is, but he looks really cool.
Rock Giant.
And then that's the one that's in the TV, the adverts, isn't it? Was it called Knock or something on the other thing we just opened? It said Elsa and Knock, didn't it? So I think that thing's called Knock.
Well, what if it's her powers then? Or something to do with her powers?
It was water power. It was water, whatever it was, wasn't it? And it's in the water when she's sort of going in the water with it. It's like a horse. But yeah, no, really cool.
Oh,
really,
she'd make it then?
I don't know. It just kind of appears and she seems shocked by it. So I don't think she's made it. Oh, and we got the new guy. Oh, look at that shield. Oh, this is going to be right up Greg Street, this is.
Oh, yes. Where's your sword?
He's part of the Knight's Guard, apparently. Apparently something happens and the king and queen get out, but obviously one of their guards unfortunately gets trapped in there. It's something about that. So we haven't seen the film yet. It's not quite out yet, but we have read a little bit about him. But yeah, he's really cool. I love that shield. That's so cool. But yeah, I think it's something that says that Anna recognises him from paintings around the castle or something. Yeah. So can't wait to see that film. Right, so you've got the little thing up there, which I can never open, or you've got the
I'll
bag.
go for the thing you can never open.
Ooh, Olaf. Really love Olaf. It's so cute. I love those cards. This has been a real hit for me, and so have those. We definitely have to get some more of these. You have to let us know in the comments below if you want to see another Frozen unboxing special. Because the film's not quite out yet, and even after it is out, we can still get some more Frozen stuff if you're interested. There's quite a lot of Frozen stuff coming about at the moment. So Anna, when she gets turned to ice. Oh, wow. So that's when she gets turned to... Yeah, because she puts her hand up and then the sword goes in her fingers, doesn't it? And then she breaks it. And it's like the act of true love or something, isn't it? I think it's the other way around. Oh, yeah, it's like the act of true love. Like thaws her heart or something, doesn't it? Oh, so pretty. Oh, it's Anna all in her little icy form when she's turned to ice. Oh, she looks so cute. Can't beat a bit of Anna. I like that. Right, so I'm going to open up this one, but then we've got some other little bits in our little... You guarding it, Sven. You guarding it for us. Right, so again, this one's a newer one as well. So this is one of the little key rings you can get. Right, so you've got Anna and Elsa, and then you've got some of the new characters. Yeah, this one's Ryder. He's one of the kids that lives in the village. He's got a sister as well or something, I think. There's a couple of them that live with this one in the village. That one's definitely going to be an Olaf exclusive. And that one could be that knock then again, because it looks a little bit like a horse. So maybe.
Let's hope we get a special.
Yeah, let's see who we get. Oh, I recognise that hair. It's Anna. She's so cute. You can't have too many Annas because she's so beautiful. And that hairstyle she has in this new film is gorgeous. I'm going to have to learn how to do this on my own hair. I need that hair. And I love her little dress as well. They've really just made them so cute in this new film. They really have. Right, so Sven, you're going to have to move out the way. Come on, Sven. Can you go on that side with Elsa, please? Come on, Sven. On you go. Thank you, Sven. Right, so what do we have in here? This used to be a jewellery box, as you can see from this side. But what do we have in this side? Oh, there's some more frozen things inside. Right. We've got an egg. We've got another Mash and Fashion for Greg.
Yeah, open it, Mother.
And there's even some stickers in there as well. So let's get opening up these last bits. Right, you can open up your Mash and Fashion?
Yeah. Right, so I've got, what is it, Olaf.
You keep getting your Olaf, don't you?
So
you
now I
Olaf
want...
in this one as well.
Sven?
Sven? Oh, you got the little troll guy. He's so squishy. Like they're the ones that raise Kristoff, aren't they?
Yeah.
And Sven.
Oh, that's Chieftain, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's the chief one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the chief one. He's so cool.
Hello.
You do love a squishy, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, so this one says Frozen Magic of the Northern Lights. The only Northern Lights thing I remember seeing about Frozen was a like Lego mini-series.
Yeah?
There was like a Lego mini-series about the Northern Lights. But maybe it was a little TV special then, because there's little troll guys in it. I have to look that up. There's so many Frozen mini-series and little mini-films and things, aren't there?
Well, the film done so well, didn't it?
Yeah. Right. Got some Anna and Elsa looking very cute. Got Sassy looking, I know I'm cute. Alex and Sven. A little bit of Olaf sticking out there. We'll have a little half picture. Oh, she's jumping on the stairs, isn't she? That Elsa has made. Nice little baby troll going on. I'm going to leave that little cute Sven on the front. He's adorable.
He
right,
really is.
so last but no means least, we have a little frozen egg with a figurine inside. Who are we going to get in this one? The only one we haven't really had so far is the main lady herself, Elsa. I said we never get any Elsas in these videos, do we?
No, we don't actually.
We really never get very many Elsas. That's why I've got an Elsa plush over there and we've got a little Elsa emoji over here. Because you've got to buy your own Elsas if you're not getting them here.
I have Sven.
It's a very bent legs, Sven. His legs look like they've seen better days. So surprising. Yeah, you could have got Elsa. Yeah, we never seem to get Elsa when we do our little surprise videos. We never seem to get her, do we?
No, his head doesn't move. He's just
Sven. He's just Sven. He is an amazingly cute character.
Right, let's talk about our favourites.
I'm definitely going to have to go for that Anna one that came from the, was it Pop Adventure one? This one, because she's adorable. The accessory bits that came with her were really gorgeous. So yeah, definitely the little Anna doll because she's so cute.
She is really cute.
Really like her.
I'm going to have to go. I was going to go with Sven because he's my favourite. But Olaf is a squishy Olaf.
Squishy. You do love the Mashams and Fashions as well.
Yeah.
And it's Olaf. So, yeah. Right, what one was your favourite from this video? Let us know in the comments below. And it's time for our Patreon shout out. This week's shout out, or this month's shout out, goes to Dreamy Pink. She is a Patreon supporter and she donates money to us every month to support videos like this. So she has got a YouTube channel. She does some unboxing as well. So we'll leave that linked in the description below. If you go and check her out, go and show her some love. And give her a thumbs up. Go on one of her videos and give it a little thumbs up. I'm sure she'd appreciate that very much. And to you, Dreamy Pink, thumbs up to you. Thank you very much for being a Patreon supporter. Right, remember to let us know what one was your favourite out of all these toys. And let us know if you want to see another Frozen 2 Part 2 video. See you again soon, guys. Bye.
Bye.